Hello, everyone. Congratulations to all of you who participated in the just concluded public speaking and presentation course with Dexter and Heroes Consulting Limited. No doubt, this training must have boosted your confidence in terms of engaging in public speaking. My name is Young Solomon Godwin, and I will be taking you through the assessment guidelines. So therefore, welcome to your public speaking and presentation assessment. Three important things that you need to pay attention to as you're about to begin your assessment of public speaking and presentation, PSP. One of them is that you review the three recordings we have shared on our platform, the WhatsApp group. Yes, the recording may not be exactly the one in your session. However, that recording was a session before, and it is beneficial for now and soon. So it is important that you review those three recordings so that you can take advantage of that. The second important thing that you need to do is for you to follow the assessment guidelines. And one of those assessment guidelines that you need to follow is this video you are watching right now. So there are other videos that you also need to consult. One of those videos is how you can create a PowerPoint slide. Because in public speaking and presentation, you need to know how to create a PowerPoint slide. So there is a video on how you can create PowerPoint slide, which is one of the criteria of taking your public speaking and presentation assessment. The second thing is that you need to record yourself for about 5 minutes making a presentation with that your PowerPoint slide. So in your video, your PowerPoint slide will be sharing on the screen. Your face will also show on the screen. Now, I usually recommend Zoom application because Zoom allows me to first share my screen. That is to say, share the PowerPoint slide that I have prepared. At the same time, Zoom allows me to put on my camera as I make my presentation. And again, Zoom record the session on its platform. So after I'm done with my presentation, I will just go and download that video. So if you're wondering how this happens, there is a video on how you can actually record yourself using Zoom application. It is also available. So this is also the videos that you need to consult before you begin your assessment. Thirdly, how do you submit your assessment? When you have done your PowerPoint slide and you have recorded yourself with your PowerPoint and your face is showing. One is that when you are done with that video, you need to upload it to your YouTube channel. Some of us may be wondering, I don't have a YouTube channel. One truth is that if you have a Gmail account, automatically you have a YouTube account. All you need to do is for you to just go and activate it. So therefore, there is YouTube account for everyone who has a Gmail account. So you upload that your video you have created in that YouTube account, then you copy the link. So the link you have copied to that your YouTube, and of course with the PowerPoint slide, you will now send it to us via mail. Now how you are going to send it and the mail you are going to send it to will be published on our WhatsApp platform. So, if you follow through all of these three important processes that I've just highlighted, you will not find any difficulty at all in taking your public speaking and presentation assessment. One way to be a better speaker is for you to take advantage of every opportunity that presents itself when it comes to engaging in public speaking. So be it at your place of worship, be it at workplace meetings, be it at friends gathering, take this advantage, this opportunity to make presentation. If you continue to do this, your speaking ability will increase as time goes by. I have just made my own presentation. I'll be waiting for yours. Thank you.